welcome. Today's trip, I'm visiting Florida Boy Customs. We're gonna go inside, look around. This is where I typically give like a live view. So let's go ahead and go on inside. Welcome everybody. I am here with Corbin, owner of Florida Boy Customs. We had the privilege of working on that beautiful 77 Ford together. I stayed here for about a week. I kind of want to get into your business. First, how long have you been open?
9 years.
9 years.
Yeah.
And what I like about you is you are pretty much, there's not a whole lot of training there. You just decided you want to do this. You took the initiative and you opened a business.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay, so
I had like 1 year of working at an upholstery shop, and when I worked at that upholstery shop, I did headliners, I did leather part seats, like templated them out, took them all, broke them down, and then just gave them to the other guy to sew up. Okay. I never sewed. I did carpet, and that's it. Like
that's your stint of training.
Like door panel stuff, like your in and out value car.
You've tremendously grown since then.
When everyone goes to your page or whatever, they see your stuff and they just expect that's all comes from you. And you're just putting out like great work all the time or whatever. And,
Every day, it's like a TV show.
I always say you give a little, take a little, and I stop and I'm like, there's no take a little. I never have actually taken at all a little. It's always giving a little or a lot.
You can see this little water filter right here. That's a really nice touch if you're trying to get any kind of water access out of the glue gun. I would definitely recommend that little upgrade. All right, so this episode we're gonna have a dash trick. You've been seeing me pretty much lay everything out, mark it, sew it up. I only glue the seam, the French seam line, and I'll fold the material back, letting everything else be nice and raw. I'll put a light sand to get rid of any excess glue. Just stick it right to where I glued. Everything else floats. We'll glue a small little channel right here in the back, just so I can tack the material. Let me flip it over with all of the tension taken out of it, so everything's nice and tight.